Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Taurus. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. For your oracle guidance, I have the fairy tale oracle card, guys. So I will leave it here. We will see what it is after the general reading. So that card, it may answer any questions or doubts you have regarding your situation, guys. Taurus. So let's start with the general energy. We have Nine of Wands, the Empress, and Nine of Pentacles. So in your situation today, guys, you are moving towards um, a greater prosperity, happiness, some kind of a beginning or some kind of success or abundance is reaching you in your career situation, or it may be in your life, in your personal life. You are happy for some things coming towards you today, guys, Taurus. And maybe you need to have great focus and attention. You have to work really hard to sustain this abundance or prosperity in your situation today, guys. Taurus, you need to use all your skills, talents, and have that 100% efforts and concentration to keep this to keep yourself progressing towards that positive goals or dreams you have for yourself. And I also see that you have happiness, contentment, emotional satisfaction today. Maybe you are facing lot of difficulties, you are overcoming lot of difficulties today, but it is something that is giving you a clear vision about your future and you are happy for it. So all your ambitions or goals you have for yourself, you are progressing towards that. So that is what is making you happy today. So you are working really hard, guys. That is what I see with these cards for your general energy. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. So we have the tinderbox soldier, ambition. So that is the card. And the energy with this card is that. So we are faced with so many choices in life today, guys. But certain things, however hard we may try to avoid, will come into being. So uh, it just means that when we are making certain choices, maybe we are whatever it is, whether we make the right choice or the wrong choice, maybe people will not know that, and we can be happy about that, but we should not forget that our soul knows what we are into. Maybe if we are doing something wrong, we may feel happy that there is no one witnessing that wrong deeds or something bad about us, but it is not going to go away from us, because in our heart of hearts we will know what we did, and time will come when we have to reap what we sow, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So it is time we make the right choices, what are worthy, and choose wisely. So we may have opportunities to do good things and opportunities to do bad things, and it is in our hands to choose what we need to do. Follow the ethics that we have for ourselves and feel empathy for the people around us, friends, family, and with people who work with us. So when we do right things, it is only the positive things that are going to come back to us, guys. So that is the energy with this card, Taurus, and that is the reading for your guys for today. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.